Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. Today I bring you the iconic BMW 3.0 CSL from Mini GT in white color. Let's take a quick look on the box. We have the car here, we have the Mini GT logo here. Oh, okay, we have nothing here. So I was expecting the BMW logo here, but anyway, it's not there. On the back, okay, so this is what proves, right? So this is licensed by BMW. Nice hologram, right? Okay, so anything else? Okay, this is Mini GT number 863, if you guys are wondering. Let's unbox this. While I unbox this, I want to thank each one of you for helping the channel reach 100 subscribers. It is a great milestone for the channel. For people who have not subscribed yet, subscribe for more such content. Oh, okay, this is bent for some reason. Okay. This is a very sleek looking car. Absolutely beautiful. It's a BMW, right? Of course it looks beautiful. Let's start with the wheels. Yes, they roll very smoothly. The alloy wheels really look good. The golden accents that we see here, right? Like they really stand out. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. So why the number 50, right? So this is for BMW's completion of 50 years of its motorsport division. So to commemorate that, they made this. And okay, other than that, what more I can see is this, right? Let me zoom in. Okay, so there is an issue with the paint here. As you can see, it's not clean, right? And other than that, you can also see here a minor, paint chip or a scratch, I guess. Really minor, but yeah, like this caught my eye. And also if you see here, right, on the wheels, like above the wheels, there is a mark here, there's an indentation here. Anyway, it is what it is. Like recently the quality control of Mini GT is kind of not up to the mark, but hey, I can't do anything. Okay, let's move forward. This iconic, right, BMW's M stripe looks really nice, really stands out, this signature look of BMW. Let's check out the front. There we have it, the aggressive front grille of a BMW. I just love this look. I'm pretty sure many of you do as well. I just love it. Okay, other than this front grille, the acrylic headlights, right, stands out, looks really nice. It's not foggy. Here also we can see the M stripes running all over, so we have the place for the fog lamps as well. Let me take my toothpick. And okay, here we have some details, and okay, there are some carbon fiber details, as you can see. Looks nice. And other than this, we have the BMW logo here as well. Looks good, looks as expected. And other than that, what more do we have? So we have the wiper details here. As you can see, there are some dashboard details as well. Looks good. Moving on to the top of the car, we have the number 50 here as well. Looks nice. And okay, on the back I can see some details. I don't know, to be honest, what that is. If you guys know, then please comment below. I don't have any clue what that is. And other than that, we have the M-Power logo here. Okay, looks nice. Let me just check the other side as well. Okay, on this side, guys, as you see, right, there are no issues. So if you remember, on that side we have the paint chipped here, but this side looks absolutely nice. I see no issues. Alright, let's check out the back of the car. The back of the car also looks very beautiful. We have the red headlights. They really stand out. You can see it clearly in the video that they really stand out, and it also looks good with this BMW M stripes. It looks really nice in combination. Other than that, we have the rear wing here. We have the exhaust here. Okay, so we have 4 exhausts here. Okay, even I did not know. And other than that, what more do we have? Okay, we have the BMW logo here as well, and it is written here the 3.0 CSL. It looks nice, and we have small carbon fiber details around here as well. Again, it looks beautiful. Okay, let's check out the bottom of the car. The bottom of the car has details as well. Not only details, it has like very good detailing. I love it when Mini GT does this. Sometimes they skip it, looks really nice. And if you notice, right, the wheels have grips. And also, if you notice, the tires at the back, right, they are like thicker. The width is more compared to ones at the front. Overall, it's a very beautiful casting. Let's check out any other thing if we have. The mirrors are made of rubber, as you can see. They are solid, looks nice. And also, I don't know what this part is called, to be honest. Of course, this is a wing. I don't know what is this and what's the use of it. Again, if you guys are aware of it, please let me know in the comment section. Overall, a very beautiful casting. The rolling is not as great as I've seen with some other Mini GT models, but again, it is good enough. Definitely, guys, like this is a very good casting. I think this is something which you must have in your collection. This is almost a perfect one. Yeah, mine had some issues, but again, that is like issue with only mine, I guess. But anyway, definitely get it if you can. Okay, then see you guys in the next one.